I like trains.
All right, we've got ourselves a westbound, sorry, empty coal train. Oops, there we go. Got to clean the lens a little bit. E793, the Tier 4 GEVO with a K5LA, I think. So that's coming up any second. Here it comes. This is E793, empty coal, should be. It's either that or Amtrak. But I think it's E793. K5LA on a Tier 4 GEVO. That was it honking at Duffield's. Ooh! 202 just cleared Daniels, so we could have another over-under. NS northbound train coming as well. But anyway, here comes this train. 202, if you guys just heard in the scanner, cleared Duffield or Daniels. Divergent approach. So this could be our second over under. Let's see what this is. Yep, empty coal. Oh, wait a minute. It's not 3423. I'm sorry, it's 423 leading. My bad. AC44. E793. So we had a loaded coal, and now we got an empty coal. All right, there goes the empty coal E793.